Welcome to Plug Power's technical analysis. Plug Power is steady with a bullish tilt, dips are defended. The stock gained 2.4% today, and the 30-day trend suggests an uptrend. The price is showing strength on longer timeframes, but recent weakness below EMA 9 could point to short-term selling pressure or consolidation. A potential mid-term resistance is seen around $3.06, supported by a cluster of prior highs in this zone. Between the mid and long-term targets, a notable resistance may appear near $4.90, based on previous swing highs. If momentum continues beyond mid-term resistance, a long-term extension points to a possible target around $5.95, based on a measured move from the last major dip to its previous peak. A rising trendline is supporting the current price structure. The price remains above this trendline near $1.56, suggesting that the upward momentum is still valid. A recent upward gap remains unfilled between $2.38 and $2.40, highlighting a zone of strong support. If the price pulls back to close this gap, it may temporarily drop by around 19.3% from current levels before rebounding. Recent weakness under EMA 9 and the trendline suggests short-term hesitation despite long-term support. Momentum is fading, MACD and RSI signal weakness. A similar MACD cycle from September 16 to October 17 led to a price increase of approximately 102.4%. Long-term structure. Price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price recently slipped below its short-term channel, indicating weakness. Price is trading above the 23.6% retracement, potentially turning it into new support. Short-term structure. Price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price recently slipped below its short-term channel, indicating weakness. Price is trading above the recent swing high, potentially turning it into new support. Volatility is high based on ATR, while trading volume is below average compared to recent averages. The RSI is below its smoothed version. Current RSI is 48.7, while smoothed RSI is 58.4. There is no divergence between the price and RSI. Momentum is aligned with the trend, supporting the current price direction. Technical outlook for Plug Power, scored 4 out of 10, a weak setup based on trend, momentum, support, and volume analysis. Price is below all EMAs, downward pressure remains. Closest EMA is EMA 9 at $3.194, currently acting as resistance. A rising support trendline near $1.558 is currently holding, reinforcing the upward momentum. A midterm target stands near $3.060, drawn from repeatedly tested highs in the recent range. A symmetrical extension from the last major dip suggests a long-term target near $5.950. Between midterm and long-term levels, an important resistance appears around $4.900. This could act as an intermediate decision point before price reaches the long-term projection. Nearest Fibonacci level is $2.699, acting as support. Next Fibonacci level to watch is $3.320. Breakdown below regression channel, target is around $2.003. Top news for Plug Power. News 1, Plug Power, Plug exploring valuation after major Nevada renewable fuel partnership and new clean energy deployments, via Simplywall.st, on 40 hours ago. News 2, why the narrative around Plug Power is shifting after recent analyst and leadership updates, via Yahoo Finance, on 65 hours ago. Those are the key headlines. Thank you for watching technical analysis of Plug Power. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. See you next time.